2012 Honda Odyssey windshield molding, side molding replacement. I have this one came out a couple of years back. I had a replacement and these guys broke the windshield. It's like they stick it, but it didn't last long, so now it's coming out. Remove this one, clean up everything inside, and I'm gonna replace with the brand new clip as well as the side moldings. So let me show you how to clean, how to take out. Let me show you how to open it up. You just use the pliers like this, stick it in and try to remove as much as possible, like this one. See if you heard it. Yeah, and it will be come out like this. To clean up, you just have to use the potty knife and try to use the knife and try to take out stuff from the both side, and just use the pliers to remove the stuff, remove these whole things from inside. As you can see, it's tough. Just be careful. These are the glass, and you don't want to touch or you don't want to break the glass, otherwise it's going to be more expensive. As you can see, this is a before. This is how it was, and I clean up, remove everything, and looks like how you have to make a space, because when you put a new clips, it has to be clean, nice, and you have to remove all the stuff from the inside. You can see this was how it was. All right, so I got the two parts. These are the clips which will goes on the moldings, and these are the brand new moldings. I got it Honda parts, and it's on the both sides. Here are the number. This is front right, and this one is front left. These are two numbers, 57362 and this one is 73152. So you need these two parts. All right, I'm using this black super weather adhesive to stick these clips, and every corners you can see there are, for the clips, there is a notch right there on the both side, and make sure those clips should goes there. And there are like 4 clips, 1 2 3, there is a third, and this is 4th. So make sure you clean thoroughly, no dust, nothing. Use the adhesive, and then make sure your clips goes into between those two grooves. Start putting together and we'll come back. So you can see here how I did it. I put the black adhesive first and then the clip. Same thing here. Make sure you don't put too much and you don't put too low. This is what it looks like. Now I have to let it dry for almost like 8 to 12 hours. So I'm gonna leave it overnight, maybe putting those clips back in tomorrow morning. All right. So it's been more than 18 hours and this is already the adhesive. It's stuck. Clips are secure. I'm putting the molding back. So start with the bottom first. Make sure it goes all the way in, and then if you look at it, make sure the clips, the bottom clips, this one are aligned with the clips on the bottom, and you just have to make sure all the clips are aligned. And as we know, yesterday we checked, there was a clips, make sure it's aligned. On the other side we're gonna be doing the same things. All right, so it's nicely secure. There are some gaps here. Seems like it's not been properly clipped, but this is good. It's not going anywhere. One things I did mistake is, I think these two clips, the bottom one, the last bottom and the first one is good, but there was a two between, and I think it was not been secure, so it needs to be a little bit more adhesive so that they can come up a little bit and it can lock. But seems like it is secure right now. Let it dry for a couple of days, but this is good. Thank you for watching.